Welcome to the amazing world of Thousand Vlogs. Are you planning a foodie adventure with your barkada? Then check out this practical guide to Ugbohan SA Baclaran, Father's Lane, a night market home to a variety of food stalls and laid-back eateries, offering everything from Filipino street food to filling rice meals, seafood bilao, desserts, and trendy items. It opens daily from late afternoon to midnight. Ugbohan SA Baclaran is a vibrant food market located in Baclaran Church, known for its variety of street food stalls. It features a range of Filipino street food, including pork bong, BBQ skewers, takoyaki, and corn dogs. What to expect? Ugbo street food is a road filled with food hawkers and eateries. Visit on a weekday and be surprised that even then there was a large crowd and number of food stalls open. The variety of food is decent, so whether you're craving for traditional Filipino street food or something novel, you'll likely find a food stall in Ugbohan to try. Enjoy exploring the flavors of Baclaran. The market is open daily from late afternoon to midnight, making it a popular spot for both locals and tourists to enjoy affordable and delicious food. Ugbohan in Baclaran is one of the best foodie hotspots in Manila. It is located in a rough neighborhood, so level your expectations. It is not squeaky clean. You may encounter beggars asking for money and food, and so on. But its location makes it feel more authentic, and some would day a part of its charm. Please like, share, and subscribe. please do watch our other food crawl series. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below saying I subscribe, and we will try our best to reply to you. Here are important tips to make the most of your Ugbohan SA Baclaran experience. The atmosphere is lively, with many food stalls offering different cuisines, making it a great place for a casual meal or a night out. Bring cash. Most vendors accept cash only, while some also have an option for Gcash. If you're coming early, say before 6 p.m., make sure to bring change, as vendors likely won't break big bills, yet not be aware of your belongings at all time. This is still Baclaran, after all. Eyes wide, stomach empty, expectations high as step on two. Ugbohan SA Baclaran, and discover an authentic street food experience in the Philippines. It features a range of Filipino street food, including pork bong, BBQ skewers, takoyaki, and corn dogs. The market is open daily from late afternoon to midnight, making it a popular spot for both locals and tourists to enjoy affordable and delicious food. Ugbo Street is also famous for its seafood dishes, including seafood bowls on skewers and various fruit shakes.
Day. Day. Nakatangat po namin isa. Opo, beef, yan, beef, chicken mutton, chicken tandoori, chicken masala.
Word passer ka na. Pwede ka na mag-ano pre.
Thank you for watching.